Hello and welcome to Wunder Gun Rods. I'm going to show you how to clean the bore and get the carbon out of it. Now this is on the Winchester Xpert, and let me show you. I just opened my bolt and I actually rest it on the bolt handle, and then I have a small piece of styrofoam up front. It'll be unstable if you don't, and you want to raise this up so you can access the bore. I already ran one patch through. You can see how dirty it is. Now, this is a fairly new gun. It only has about 75 rounds put through it. But I'm going to go ahead and take my Wunder Gun Rod patch, place it on the front, and just put a couple drops of mineral spirits on it. Now, I prefer the mineral spirits. You can use whatever gun cleaning solution you want, but press your patch in. Now, what I did was on the rod, as I come in, I'm going to show you. It's very smooth. You don't have to worry about damaging the crown of the gun, so you can attack the cleaning from the front, and it's a lot quicker and a lot easier. I put a small mark right here. It's an 18-inch barrel. The 22 long rifle is 1 inch long, so I don't want to get into the chamber. It'll release my patch. I want to be able to pull, so I'm going to place my thumb right there. I want to pull back and forth. I place my fingertips here so that I can feel the bulb right there. See the patch? I want to go back and forth. Now, as you do this, it's kind of neat. As I'm pulling, I can feel the rod turning with the rifling. What that tells me is that patch is 360 degrees pushing out against the lands and grooves. In fact, it's going into the lands and grooves, and that's why the rod turns as you're pulling it. You can feel it. It's hard to hold it back from doing it. So I want to work this back and forth. As many times as I choose. Now, when I pull the patch, still a little dirty, so I'm going to run another one through. A couple drops of mineral spirits, or your favorite gun cleaning solution, whatever you choose, and we're going to work this back and forth again. I can feel the patch and back. The Wunder Gun Rod is just silky smooth. It won't hurt anything. Nice and easy. Really give those lands and grooves a good cleaning, a good deep cleaning. And that's what that rubber bulb does. It pushes that patch out against the lands and the grooves. And I think that'll do it. Okay, we're good to go. At this point, the carbon is now out of the bore. So I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of gun oil. You can use whatever you want. I just happen to be using the battle stall. Get another patch here. Now the rod is 24 inches, so it'll work fine for your AR-15s. Okay, I'm going to soak up some oil in that patch. Okay, and we're going to work that back and forth. Yeah, see that rod turns. You can't, it's kind of hard to hold it back from turn. In fact, you really can't. It wants to turn because it's following the lands and grooves. Okay. So our bore is now lubricated, and I'm going to follow up with one final dry patch, and then I can put this gun away and feel confident that there is absolutely no carbon in that bore. Carbon is the biggest enemy. Carbon attracts the moisture, and then you get a haze of rust in there, and you don't want that. Okay, so there's our dry patch coming out, and that's all there is to it. So it does give you true 360 degree cleaning, and it's amazing that this rod actually turns with the bore, the spirals in the bore. Anyways, thank you for watching and have a great day.